Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Legal luminary, Professor Mike Ozekhome, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, has criticized the large number of 31 states that was supposedly recommended by the National Assembly for state creation, saying that that number was outrageous. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you're new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, Mike Ozekhome, in a statement he issued in response to the large number of 31 states being suggested for creation, said that it was too large. Many other Nigerians agree with him. And my fundamental takeaway from his statement was that if truly any state should be created, it should be created from the southeast, so that to balance the southeast with other zones in terms of state creation. Because if you look at it, southeast is shortchanged in state creation in Nigeria. South is the only zone that has 5 states. South has 6. Others have 60 states, except for Northwest that has 7 states. And Ozekhome, in that his presentation, emphasized that that's the only state, if there is anyone to be created, should come out from the southeast. And I would agree with him totally that southeast is the only viable state that should be created from, to make it at par with other zones. Now, why is that important? The cry of marginalization from the people of South is very clear and evident in things like that. When you have a situation where Southeast have least number of states, it sends a clear message that these people are not treated as like fellow Nigerians, that are not seen to be at par with the rest of the nation, which also bring to the question, which of the states, which of the states should be created from out of Southeast? You know, there were all kinds of states, or loose states, what have you, Adada State and what have you. All those states have made it clear that the best option is for the people of Southeast, Ohanese and all the rest of them. If there is one state that should be created in Nigeria, it should be the Anioma State. Why did I say Anioma State? The Southeast Nigeria geographically has the least number of one of the smallest landmass in Nigeria. Okay, so cutting out states from Igbo, Abia, and all these to create one other state within doesn't make sense as far as I can see it. So I expect the people of Southeast and people of Anioma to work together to create Anioma State. And Anioma is presently in South. So what it will mean is that Anioma will be cut out and add to Southeast and automatically become a Southeast zone state. Some people have said no, that Anioma will remain in South-South, even if it remains in South-South. But the truth of the matter is that the marginalization that is being felt in the mainland Igbo land also is being felt in Anioma. Whether you like it or not, the Civil War impacted both Anioma and the other mainland Igbo. So if you want to right the wrong of the past, you cannot right, if you want to right the wrongs of the past, including the impact of the Civil War and everything, you cannot do that without adding Anioma into the picture. Who forget about the Asaba massacre? Who forget that? Well documented in history, well documented by international journalists. So nobody will forget that. So to me, Ozekhome was right. Only one more state should be created in Nigeria, and that state should come out from Southeast Nigeria, come out from Southeast Nigeria to make Southeast 6 states. And I have looked at all those who wanted states in Southeast. I don't see anyone that is at much more better than adding Anioma to the Southeast. Whatever may be the geography that will be used to do that, but I think that back in Anioma will be the best option to make it up for the people of Southeast, for Igbo-speaking people of Nigeria. That's my take, because that's the one that made sense. Because in this country, we are so selfish. Let me put it this way. We are so selfish. Let me give you a typical example. We know that the northwest, northeast were devastated by Boko Haram. Therefore, there was a need by Buhari to create the Northeast Development Commission. We know that the Niger Delta had been devastated by pollution and all the rest. We need to create Niger Delta Development Commission. We know that the Southeast has been devastated by the Civil War, and that the reconstruction of Southeast that was promised by the Gowon administration was not done. The reconstruction, rehabilitation, and reintegration was half-heartedly done. It wasn't really done. So Southeast deserve Southeast Development Commission. Now, what do we have? From Southeast Development Commission, they have created Northwest Development Commission. They have created Southwest Development Commission. They have created North Central Development Commission. And that was the rubbish they want to bring into state creation. Because Southeast wanted a balance, every other person wanted to add a state to his own. And that's why the whole thing now looks messy. It looks so messy. At the end of the day, maybe no state will be created. These are all part of the gambit of trying to make sure that what's supposed to come to Southeast doesn't get there. You know that it's only Southeast that deserve to have more states, but you see people even coming out from Kano State, coming out from Jigawa, everyone want to have a state from their zone. What kind of country is this? At the end of the day, the tone became a mess. And nobody knows, even the Anioma I'm talking about, the possibility of that one even being created. It's not a story for another day. But like I said, if there's any state that should be created, should be from the Southeast. I agree with Mike Ozekhome. And I also believe that Anioma is the best option for Igbo if they want a extra state in Nigeria. And that the state creation has been turned into everybody one seat. just like development commissions. Even Southwest has a development commission. On what basis is Southwest having development commission? On what basis is Northwest having development commission? On what basis is North Central having development commission? But they all have it, just to create confusion everywhere. Well, that's my take about Mike Ozekhome's assertion that if there's any state any zone that deserves a state, it is only the Southeast. What is your position? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you will be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.